Welcome back to Great Day, my friends. It is no secret that food has a pizza in my heart. Our guest just walked out. So on this Valentine's Day, we are introducing you to a new pizza place in Maplewood. I swear it's going to get better. We are joined today by Adam Altnether and Chris Kelling of Pizza Champ to tell us how their concept came to be. Fellas, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having
us. We've
us.
been hanging out all show. The smell has been wafting all show, and we're salivating. Tell me about the genesis of this place. How did this happen?
It started during 2020, during the closure. Once we were able to reopen our restaurant Elmwood, also in Maplewood,
Gotcha.
At 25% capacity, it just wasn't enough for us, and we had to do something that would sustain us in a carry-out model. And we switched to pizza pretty quickly.
I got to tell you, it's kind of a gutsy move going pizza in St. Louis because there are some fantastic pizza options in St.
sure.
Louis.
There are,
so
yeah.
Does that have just a special place in your heart? You had a great pizza recipe in the back of your pocket? What were you thinking?
No, I mean, we always just talked between ourselves that we wanted to open a little pizza joint. So that's what we did. We opened a neighborhood pizza joint. It does deck oven style New York pizza. Everything from traditional pepperoni to taco pizzas and supremes and stuff like that.
Since you brought up the product that we've got right in front of us, walk me through it a little bit. You mentioned the traditional pepperoni.
Yep.
The smaller pepperonis. Look at that crust, too. You can tell that
Yeah, it's
there's some
100%
love in that
sourdough crust, so.
Nice. And this is kind of a Mexican flavor? You said the taco style?
Yeah,
pizza?
exactly. So we do a couple like signature style pizzas. We have a taco, and we also do like a buffalo chicken style pizza and stuff like that. And then we also do a supreme that has peppers, onions, bacon, and grilled kale.
I thought that was kale on
Yeah.
there. So like a little sauteed up, grilled up kale
Yep,
that you put on there?
exactly.
And then brown it off. That's nice. And I know obviously the main attraction is the pizza, but tell me about what's going on here.
It's just some other stuff that we
Yep.
have on the menu. We have a few sandwiches. This is our chicken parm. This is our grilled broccoli Caesar salad that's got spicy panko and fresh dill.
How about that? A broccoli Caesar with some spicy panko on it.
Yep. And then we have a few different style wings, and these are our hot buffalo wings, and then these are lemon pepper.
And just standing near the buffalo wings, the nose is starting to run just a little bit. So you know they're good. So for now, it's important to know this is carry out only, right?
Carried out only right now, Wednesday through Sunday.
Okay.
You can order online. And then we're building a Four Seasons covered patio that'll be open early spring.
Awesome. And by the way, if you're not familiar with the whole Maplewood vibe and the restaurant scene out there, so cool,
a great
really
community.
eclectic, and
Yeah,
just
we're
some
super
awesome
lucky.
chefs doing some great stuff.
Yeah,
so,
for real.
So glad to have you guys swing
Thank you
by.
so much for
Awesome.
having us.
Thanks for having us.
You're going to be able to find this segment, by the way, right after the show at camov.com/greatday. Guys, what do you think, huh?
I'm hungry. That's what I think.
Nicely done. Very nice. Looks great.
Give 'em
That's
a call
why they're
on
the
Wednesday.
champs.
That's
Yep.
right.
Yeah, it doesn't
There
matter
are.
who won on
Maplewood's
Sunday
such a
because the
fun
champs are
neighborhood,
right. Yeah.
and an outdoor patio sounds like, and pizza sounds like great fun.
Oh, in the spring when it starts warming up, think about that.
Thank
luck,
you,
guys.
three. And
Thank
so
you.